Yes, it's making a huge difference in society. I can see um, the way that people come for lunch, the way they sit, the expectation in their faces. Um, they know that they are going to be fed, they know that someone is caring about them. And that is what is lost in our societies today, all over the world. People are living for themselves. And they don't even look at the neighbor and say, "Oof, my neighbor is struggling." And that is what this organization is doing. It is looking at the neighbor, it is looking at its fellow citizens, and it's seeing that guy or woman or child is struggling, and it's reaching out. So I think this organization is making such a big difference in this country that, and I hope and pray that it will go from strength to strength.
You have already worked with us as a team.
Yes.
What would you say about our teamwork and also our organization?
The teamwork is very, very good. The team understand each other. They understand what their role in the team is. That is very important. The one is not trying to do the other one's job. So
Yes.
that is very important. And I also think that you guys, all of you, are doing such a great job. It is. Sometimes I'm just sitting and I'm wondering, how do you bring everything together? But it happens, and it happens on a weekly basis, a daily basis. So, yeah, I think you are a great team.